Good morning, parents, teachers, students. Welcome to the Golden Fiesta annual function of Motherhood International Preschool. Every time, whenever I give a speech, normally is not a speech, that also I came to know because this time also few parents came and asked me, ma'am, આ વખત એન્યુઅલ ફંક્શનમાં તમે અમને એવું શું ઇમ્પોર્ટન્ટ વસ્તુ કહેવાના છો that you every time do and we have implemented at home. So today I'm going to tell you a very important message which as an educator I would like to pass to the parents and which is required that every parents implement at home with your child. My teacher, few years back I met her. She got 40 years of experience in child psychology. So when I met her, I asked my teacher because she was going to shift US. So then I told her, ma'am, what message you want to share with me or what information you think I should tell to the parents as an educator. So she told a very nice message and that message stayed with me since then. And today I want to share with you because my ma'am told me that I should share with the parents. And the message was about borrowed shoes theory. I don't think so anybody will be knowing about this theory. A borrowed shoes theory is a theory which we as a parent must read it and inhale it. And what is a borrowed shoes theory? I want to tell you in a very short. Child doesn't struggle if they don't walk. If they don't know how to walk, they don't struggle. But if we ask child to wear somebody's shoes and ask them to walk, they are going to fall. હવે અહીંયા શૂઝ પહેરાવાની વાત હું નથી કરતી. વોટ આઈ મીન, આપણે અત્યારે વોટ વી ડુ વિથ અવર ચાઇલ્ડ, વી ઓલવેઝ પુટ અવર એક્સપેક્ટેશન ઓન અવર ચાઇલ્ડ. We always put adult fear on the child. We always compare our child with the other child. That is the borrowed shoes. એના shoes નથી and they are not going to fit in that. So as a parent, what we have to do, and as a mentor and as an educator, what we have to do. Borrowed shoes theory said child must never be rushed, but they must be trusted. આપણે અત્યારે ટ્રસ્ટ બહુ ઓછો થઈ ગયો છે બાળકો ઉપર. ઘરે જઈને કાંઈ પણ મમ્મીને કહે, વી ડોન્ટ બિલીવ, દે વિલ ગીવ મી અ કોલ, મેડમ આવું કહેતી હતી, આ સાચું છે? અને તમે એના ફ્રન્ટ ઓફ ધેમ યુ ગીવ મી અ કોલ કે મેડમ આવી બધી સ્ટોરી બનાવી છે, એ સાચી છે, આ કહે છે. If you don't trust, they are going to lose confidence. And to raise a confident child, we have to put a trust. Second thing, we cannot push child. અત્યારે એટલી કોમ્પિટિશનમાં we are going that we are pushing them beyond their limits. But there we have to guide them. આપણે કરતા જ નથી ગાઈડ. જલ્દી શીખડાવી દેવું, જલ્દી એક્ટિવિટીમાં પાર્ટ કરી લે, જલ્દી જીનિયસ બનાવી દેવું છે. That is not the way of dealing with a child. And the most important thing, we start comparing the child with other child. આપણે કેટલા એવા હશું કે નોઈંગલી એન્ડ અનનોઈંગલી આપણે કમ્પેર કરીએ જ છે બીજા ચાઇલ્ડ સાથે. We should never compare a child with other child. That is the time they lose confidence. આપણે કેટલી વાર કહેતા હોય, તારા ક્લાસમાં જો આને કેટલું સરસ આવડે, તને આવડે જ? That is very small thing for you, but for the child it's not a small thing. But instead of comparing, we have to motivate them. I always tell every parents, તમે જ્યારે જ્યારે મને મળવા આવ્યા છો, what I have told you, કે we motivate the child. We never scold them. We never give them punishment. Why? Because we want them to raise confidently in themselves. And the fourth, last, we always tell our child what to become. આપણે કહીએ જ છીએ તારે આ બનવાનું છે, તારે તે બનવાનું છે, ઓલું બનવાનું છે. That is wrong. Allow them to discover. Allow them to discover. Allow them to explore. And this all things, as a mentor, as an educator, I have already applied in Motherhood International Preschool. તમે જોવો છો ને કે આજે બાળક સ્ટેજ ઉપર, ડીડ યુ સી ધ પ્લે ગ્રુપ ચાઇલ્ડ વોઝ એબલ ટુ હોલ્ડ ધ માઇક. જે 4 બચ્ચાઓ આવ્યા હતા એમાં જે પહેલું બાળક હતું એ પ્લે ગ્રુપનું હતું. Why the child was able to hold the mic and able to speak? Because we never compare any child with anybody. And our first rule was always and will always be to motivate a child. At least go home, start from now, and you will see a lot of difference. You will come and tell me, yes ma'am, there is a lot of difference. Because I know so many parents come and tell me, ma'am, બહુ stubborn છે. એટલી જીદ કરતા હોય ને વાત જવા દ્યો. Why? Because you are putting your expectation on the child કે એને આમ જ કરવાનું, એને આમ જ રહેવાનું. That is not possible. Start from now, and I want every parents to go home, Google it, borrowed shoes theory, and start implementing. Because what we are doing, I always believe, school and home must be in alignment. અમે જે કરીએ છીએ, the same thing we expect you to follow at home. If there is an alignment, the child is going to be very confident. The child is going to face a crowd, and a child will be able to stand in the audience and face the audience. Right? So I expect every parents go home, Google it, and inhale it. Thank you so much. Enjoy the show.